What's poppin', TikTok? What's poppin'? So, your girl came to rant, communicate, conversate, whatever you like to call it. And today I just wanted to come out here and say it'd be so nice in the mornings. It'd be quiet, not a lot of people here be around, be out and about. Nature just be naturing. It'd be so beautiful, y'all. If y'all was me, sitting here, taking in nature with a jointa, you'll be sitting here like, why the fuck do I be stressing over life? What did Cat Williams say? Man, you be stressing over bills, you be stressing over the light dude, and then you do. Man, fuck that light bill. He was right. He was serious. I'm telling you. It be that shit, boy. It be that shit. Y'all need to try it for real. It'd be really nice.